Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have their 2023 Genesis GV80 Prestige. I actually have a copy of the window sticker right here. This one has the Advanced and Prestige package. What is it? Adriatic Blue over Dune, $77,350 original sticker price, which is a lot. So this essentially is as fully loaded as you can get. Has the good old 3.5 in her. All the specs will be in the description below. Suede headliner. Suede. Oh, I gotta go into the back seat. The reason I'm starting the video inside is because the wind is really, really bad today, so I won't be able to talk outside and have you hear me. Where are you? There you are. Look at this thing. Whew. That's awesome. That is gorgeous. But I saw some cool features in the back seat area that I wanted to take a look at. You have cooled seats. You have a vanity mirror here. You have obviously these sunshades, which can you, aha, that's how they do that. That's pretty cool. What do you have in here? Oh, wow, for 77 grand brand new. I don't know if many other cars I'd rather have at this price point. And you can obviously move that as you so fit. Color matched seat belts. That's usually, and look at this, blue leather. All right. Assuming wireless charging, yeah. Let's go for a drive. You know, I'm a huge fan of Genesis, and now on the used market, these are becoming better and better deals. I think even brand new, this thing was a game changer, hands down. These things are just good. This spec is gorgeous. I mean, every option you could ever imagine. This is the one to have. With the 3.5, that's, wow, why am I yawning so much? With the 3.5, that's the real thing. I've driven the 2.5s. Not a giant fan of them. 3.5, that's where it's at. And this interior, oh. On paper, it sounds weird. Not in practice. In sport mode now, you do have a 3D gauge cluster. It starts acting up with the camera, where the camera's mounted. It thinks it's my eyes. And so it starts being weird. So quick. And when you go into sport mode, the bolsters tighten up, the steering gets much heavier. This car, when you change it to sport mode, you actually can really tell it's doing something. I don't like some cars where you put it to sport mode and it does nothing but change throttle response. This changes a lot. Why has the wind gotten way worse? Go into comfort. Ah, when you floor it, the bolsters tighten up too. These are good, really good cars. It's just, to think that this came from Hyundai is insane to me. You know, but now you think about it, all these normal manufacturers have their own luxury brands. Nissan with Infiniti, Honda with Acura, Toyota with Lexus. So Hyundai's like, hey, why don't I do it? And they did, and it worked really, really well, and they're selling a lot of them, and they're winning a ton of awards, and now they're becoming available on the used market for really good money, and they're still really nice cars, and they're going to be way more reliable than a Mercedes. There's a lot of benefits to buying a Genesis. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.